All right, so we just got the mug warmer. This was a Christmas present. Let's find out once if it works. Unboxing this thing. Oh, well, of course, we've got to unhook the sides. I don't know why they do that. I guess they don't want to. It costs 24 bucks, $5 at Marshall's. I don't know if it's worth it though. We'll find out. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. Ta-da! And basically, it's a hot plate and USB-C. Oh, steel mug. I'm kind of liking that. It's got some directions. And ba-da-da-dum. It comes with a USB to USB-C plug. So you're gonna have to plug it in, you know. It's pretty easy. All right, it's pretty long. Let's see how long it is. About 3 feet. So anyway, this is your hot plate, right? And it says caution, scald or burns. So apparently it gets hot. There's your USB-C. Plug it in, right? Then I gotta get a blockage, and we're just gonna plug it right in there. Okay, and now I just gotta find a place to plug it in, right? And I have one right here. So this is a top too, by the way. I didn't show you guys that. Here's your instructions. If you want to read it, it's got a bunch of information there. So this is basically your setup. So what I would first do is just, get my coffee in there, which I could just bring it over here to my Jura. Stick it under there. I probably should rinse this out, right? So I just got it out of the package. Let's do that. But it's all metal, so I think that's cool, right? All right, let's get some coffee in there. All right, here we go. This machine, by the way, is outstanding. You put your beans in there, you put water here, and you can make the strength of the coffee more by hitting these bean things. I only have it on one, and then that's your, big cup or small cup espresso. And you can see, and this adjusts, by the way. So if you got the little Demitas cup. But yeah, check it out. So that's filling up. So let's plug this bad boy in. I'm gonna put this over here because I've got a plug over here, right? I just plug it in, right? Bam. Now, all right, so I may have to read up on this here, but let's get our coffee. So here's our coffee. It's already warm, but right now it'll be out of the machine. But apparently if we just put it on there, it's gonna stay warm. We'll find out. Here, this thing here, I guess you could just put it on top like that. I don't know, for some reason they have this thing to put on top of your coffee. Let me get right on it. There's on. You see how that little light comes on right there? It's super small, but you can see it, just barely. See there, now you can see it. That's off, that's on. All right, so we'll just keep our coffee heating up, and then we'll feel how hot let me see how hot this gets. You're not supposed to touch it, but I'm trying to see if it's radiating heat. Nothing yet. I've got it plugged in. Should be working. Well, we'll see how hot it keeps our coffee. So check this out. This tells me how hot it is. It's 130 degrees. All right. So that's registering the temperature of the coffee, and 130 Fahrenheit, 122 Fahrenheit. All right, so that's going to tell me how hot my coffee is. So that's what this lid is for. All right. All right, so I didn't notice that. I just saw it right now. All right, so it's been a while, and let's check it and see how hot it is. Look at my glasses. pretty hot. It definitely keeps the coffee hot. That's pretty good. Let's set it down. All right, I want to show you this. So look, this doesn't show me anything when it's not on the coffee. So this is blank, right? But when I put it down on here, check this out. So be advised, it takes about 2 minutes for this temperature to come up. Oh, look, you can see it starting to come up right now. Yeah, you see it right there? So it's at looks like it says 130 to 122. So the temperature is 130, between 130 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's over 122, I guess, but maybe not over 130. If it gets over, to 140, that's going to be hot coffee. But this takes, once you put this top on, it takes about 2 minutes for it to tell you the temperature. You can just plug this right into your computer, and then you don't need to keep the top on. And then you could go ahead and just enjoy. You don't have to worry about your coffee ever getting cold. How's that grab you? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.